Hi everyone. So here is a quick tutorial on how to make some packets a little more digital and easy for your students to use inside either Seesaw or Schoology. So the first thing I want to do is I'm actually going to be living inside Google Slides. So the first thing I want to do in Slides is make it so that it looks like a piece of paper. So first I'm going to title my presentation. This is for a teacher over at Herget. And I'm going to go over here to File. And then I'm going to go over to Page Setup. And then it defaults to widescreen. I'm going to go down to Custom and make it into a piece of paper. So 8.5 by 11. And now the slide looks like a piece of paper. So the next thing I want to do is I want to pull up my PDF. Now, depending on my PDF, it will, you can save it as a picture, or the easiest thing to do is using your snip and sketch, which looks like this. I've got it pinned to the bottom of my screen, but to find it, I'm just going to go over here into type here to search and type in snip. And you're going to find two tools, a snipping tool and snip and sketch. Snipping tool, for those who've used it before, it's actually going away. So I've started to use snip and sketch, which I like a lot. So I tap on snip and sketch and it looks like this, very similar to the snipping tool, and works exactly the same. So I click on new. And just like the snipping tool, I can take a picture of anything on my screen. So I take a picture of this page that I want the kids to work on. And there is my picture. And I'm going to save it as a picture. So I click on the Save button. And then on my desktop, I'm going to save it as page 2. And PNG is perfect. So now that I've got a picture, I go into my slides and I am going to select all of the text boxes that I have, and I'm going to delete those. And then I click on background. And then the second option is image. So I choose my image by clicking upload. And I find my page 2 and I click open. And then I click done. So there we go. So all the students need to do, you can kind of prep this by putting in text boxes. And then I put a text box. Here is my text. Please delete and put in your own information. And then you can put another text box. And to even make the text box a little more noticeable, we can put in lines and then change the color of the lines to maybe red, something so they know it's there, and kind of preface the lesson with anything that's a red box. That's where you're going to type in. You can assign this in Schoology as a Schoology or a Google assignment, so that way each kid has their own copy. They're turning it into you. Super, super easy. If you've got any questions on how to create these packets, please reach out to one of your coaches and we'd be happy to help you. Have a great day.